Adding somebody else's reel to your reel is a great way of adding your own spin on their already popular video idea. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add somebody else's reel to your Instagram reel. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. We want to add somebody else's reel to our Instagram reel, and this could happen in multiple ways. So you could add it and have it green screened, and so their reel shows up and then you're in front of it. Or you can do something and then you can add their reel as part of your reel. And I'm going to show you how to do both of those things. So first of all, let's find somebody else's reel. So I'm going to go into Reels and I'm going to find somebody else's reel to create. Okay, let's save this one. So to save somebody else's reel, you're just going to go into this paper airplane and you're going to go to download. And it depends. Sometimes it's going to download it with their audio and sometimes it's going to strip their audio completely and you never know what's going to happen. So it's on Instagram. Instagram's going to do it for you. So once I have that, I can go into my photos and let's go into albums. So you can see here, I have their reel. It is going to show their logo on it, which I think is fine because you're going to want to tag them in this because they're part of your reel. But if you want to not include their logo in it, what you could do is you can screen record that portion of it so that it doesn't record with their logo. So to do that, if you're on an iPhone, you're just going to have to make sure that your screen recording, so you can see here my screen recording is currently on, that it's in your control system. Because once it's in here, so you swipe down to access this, then you can just press that record button and it's going to record it. And it's going to record it for you either with or without your mic. So if you don't have that there, all you do is you go into your settings and then you go into your control center. You can see it's up here. But if it's not, and if it's down here, you just press the plus sign and then it's going to appear up here. And if you don't want it up here, you can just remove it whenever you want. So as long as it's there, then you're going to be able to record it. So you're going to want to screen record that particular video and then you can edit it so it's just that part of the video. And then so let's see. Let's go back into my reel. So I have this reel created. Now I'm going to have her reel and then I'll just create a reel of me liking afterwards. So I'm going to click on this. And now I'm going to create, edit video, and I'm going to add a clip, and I'm going to film a clip of me on my phone mad liking because let's say that all of a sudden I realize that I can like my own videos. So I just need to grab a phone. 1 second, I'll be back with a phone. I use my husband's phone if I need another phone. So let's see, all of a sudden I'm going to go mad liking. I need to film this. I'm going to add a timer so you can see the timer is up top here. Let's add, I can add a 3-second timer, 3-second, or I can even change that so it's a 10-second timer. You'd only add it to a 10-second timer if it's far away and you really have to align things. So let's keep it at 3 seconds. And let's just do me like mad liking. Oh, no, that did not use the timer. Let's delete this and let's try again. So add clip, camera, timer, set timer. You can see now the timer should be on. Set timer. Let's see if it's gonna work. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. And then there's me mad liking. I like this. This is really funny. I'm going to add an audio clip to this. Okay. And I'm just going to see if I can add that audio clip. Let's add the camera audio. And let's see if I can adjust this audio clip So it's only for when I do it. And let's see if hers is going to show up. There we go. So you can see, because I lifted the camera audio, the audio from her video is going to show, and then from mine, I can actually adjust this section to, don't like that audio clip, let's replace that audio clip. Nice, that one actually like. So let's do that again. So we can't hear her audio here, so what I have to do is I have to go back to my volume here at the bottom, and I have to increase that camera audio so that the clip audio is going to show, and then mine's going to start here. Ooh, let's just adjust my clip so it just starts a little bit later. Love it! Awesome. So you can see that I have her audio, my audio, me responding to it, and this is a quick, easy clip that I can use. So I'm going to go next, and I'm going to save this as a draft so I can use this later. But then I'm also, say for example, I want to create a reel that's going to include that video clip, but I want to be talking in front of it. So how to do that is you're going to go to the plus, you're going to go into reel, and you're going to go into your camera. Start new. Let's go into my camera, and then I'm going to go into my green screen. Now I can change my background. So click change background and go into my camera roll, and I can add this video. So see, I am here in front. I can make myself smaller, bigger, but I can basically be talking about her reel in there. So let's just record that. So this is awesome. Why didn't I think about blah, 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 blah? I would probably think it would be more clever to say, but there we go, next. And you can see that I am talking while that clip is in. So this is a great way to use somebody else's clip and allow yourself to have your own input on their clip. So these are a couple ways that you can add somebody else's clips to your Instagram Reels. And make sure that you tag them, because Instagram's all about collaboration and working with each other. And the more people you work with, the bigger your audience grows. So make sure you tag them, especially if you use one of my Reels. I would love it if you use one of my Reels, and please tag me in it. I will share it for you. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.